Hey students, a very warm welcome on Ada 24/7, a government job in your pocket. As you guys all know very well that I discussed from with you all guys in my previous session that the complete entire week we decided that from Monday to Friday I provide you a few questions as an homework, and on Saturday I will discuss all those questions, all those homework questions in my sessions. And this week we discuss a complete blood relation and the direction distance topic. And now whatever the question I provide you as a homework from blood relation and direction distance, so we are going to discuss in this session. So before starting today's session, I want to discuss with you that other 24/7 gets an complete preparation format for you guys. That means the lockdown tayari nahi rukegi. It is a slogan which is boosting for you that those who students are saying ma'am, lockdown is there, so how can we prepare, how our examinations preparation is going through. So do not worry, as other 24/7 is with you. So घर बैठे करे तैयारी, लॉकडाउन तैयारी नहीं रुकेगी. So how it is possible? Lockdown special other 24/7 provides you a 20% discount plus extra 5% discount on app by downloading app. So those who have still not downloaded our app, go on playstore.com, play store, and download our application, that is Ada 24/7. And now those students already having our app, just update that application and you will also get a 5% discount on that. So what do you have to do? You have to apply a code LD20 for 20% plus 5% extra discount, and for flat 25% plus 5% extra discount you may apply the code Y164. By applying this code you will receive a flat 25% plus 5% as an application. So go and visit on our store.ada247.com, which is now converted into the ada247.com. So you now just visit on this and you will get all our study materials like a live session, live online live classes, test series, paid batches, whatever the material you required for your preparation, all the material is available on ada247.com. So I prefer go and visit on ada247.com and boost up your preparation, because this is your precious time. In this time, make your preparation as possible as good, or I can say that excellent, by doing lots of practice questions. So let's start today's session as a lockdown tayari nahi rukegi. So we are going to discuss today's session, that is the blood relation as well as direction sense questions. Whatever the questions I discussed with you and provided you in as an homework in my the complete week. So have a look about the first question. I prefer to those students who doesn't still not did practice of these questions, try to solve this. I prefer pause this video and try to solve this. I again said inform you all students, this is your recorded session. I will be available with you all guys in the chat box at the session wherever it is going to be live. But after that, if you are having any query, then reply me your queries, or send me your queries on the comment section given below on the link of the video. Okay, fine. So let's have a look about the solution of this question. It is saying that there are 7 members in a family and there are which are 2 are married couples. It is given that total number of peoples in a family are 7 and there are 2 married couples. Okay, fine. We are having these 2 informations. Firstly, it is given that S is a grandmother of K. Okay, fine. We make a S as a grandmother. That means we are going to make a here. Okay, fine. I am making a line row as S is a grandmother. So that means S is having a son or S is having a daughter. We are not confirmed. S is a grandmother of K. S is a grandmother of K. Okay, fine. We make the both the situations. B is father-in-law of A. Now we don't know who is A. B is father-in-law of A. B is father-in-law of A. Now we are not aware about A is a son-in-law or a daughter-in-law, so we are not confirmed, but this is confirmed. B is having a son, child who is married to A. Next it is saying that C is mother of D. Now who is D? We are not confirmed, just write it. C is mother of D. Next it is saying J and K are brothers. J and K, J is brother of K. J is brother of K. Okay, fine. Still we are not able to identify the gender of K. Coming on the next one. J is brother of K and his mother. Both are the brother sister. That means their mother is common. D is mother of J and K. So we may mention here D here a little bit. I may make the correction. Just hold on. D is a mother of these two kids and having a one father. Who is a father? We are not confirmed about it. Here it is saying that B is a son-in-law. And C is a mother. C is a mother, as both are the mothers, so it is not possible to identify that two mothers are married to each other. And in this situation, if we are saying D is a mother, so D's mother is C, that means this is not possible. This diagram will be wrong. And in this one, where C is a mother of D and B is a father-in-law of A, so we can go with the, I'm making a diagram of C is a mother. C is a mother of J and K, and D is mother of D is mother of J and K. D is mother J and K, and C is the mother of D. Now it is saying that B is father-in-law of A. That means if we place B as a father-in-law of A, it is right. Now we have to identify it, maybe many other relatives also, but it is given that there are only two married couples and 7 members in a family. One member, just count the members: 1 person, 2 person, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and still we are not able to identify the gender of K. That means this is the right diagram. I hope so. You all guys, whatever you make the diagram, this is a similar as, or I can say that this is a ditto diagram you made as an homework question. Coming on the questions, let's have a check about the questions. How is S related to D? Now we have to answer from S and check the relationships with the D. So how is S related to D? S is a mother-in-law of D, and we are having mother-in-law in third option. Therefore C option will be the right answer for this question. Coming on the next question. Next question we are having, how is C related to K? We have to check the relationship from K. That means if its gender may be identified or not identified, doesn't matter, कोई मैटर नहीं करेगा. And we have to answer about C. So we have to identify how is C related to K. C is maternal grandmother of K. So we have to look out maternal grandmother, as we are having maternal grandmother in option number D. Therefore the D option will be the right answer for this question. Coming on the next question, I again prefer to you all of the guys, please pause the video and try to solve this. I hope so you guys are done with this question, as I already provided you as an homework. So now we are going to go with the solution. P is a brother of R. Here P is a brother of R. Okay, we can make it. R has only one daughter. Okay, fine. R has only one daughter. That means it may have multiple sons but not having a daughter. Daughter is only, so I can mention here only daughter. Okay, R is mother of T. Okay, fine. R is mother of T, but now we don't have T is a daughter or a son. We are not confirmed. T is the sister of S. Now we are clear. T is the sister of S. That means S is a brother of T. And now Q is father of S. Q is father of S. That means R is married to Q. S is married to U. S is married to U. so you will be your female, as S is your male member of the family. And last and finally it is saying that W is a son of you. W is son of you. Now here all the persons having a clarification with the gender, have a look about with the questions. Now here it is a question which is, how is R related to you? How is R related to you? Now we go through with the how is R related to you. A husband's mother, that is a mother-in-law. R is mother-in-law, which we are having in E option. E option will be the right answer for this question. Coming on the next one, how is S related to P? Here is it asking, how is S related to P? P's sister's son, that is nephew. Nephew we are having in C option. Therefore, C option will be the right answer for this question. Coming on the next question. Next question, again we are having a direction distance topic because we discussed in the entire week from blood relation and the direction distance topic. So we have a look about direction sense questions. Rahul starts his journey from point P. We are going to assume point P here and walks 20 meters towards his north. Okay, fine. We assume that this is a 20 meters and reaches a point Q. Okay, fine. Then from point Q he turns to his right from north to right and reaches a 10 meter. Then till R, and from R he turned to his right. Okay, right, that means a downward 15 meters. That means we just move down a little bit from P to downward. That means because it is having a 20 meters, and this is a point after moving R to 15 meters before reaching a point S. So here is your S point. Then finally he takes his left turn. From left turn it is towards east. Just hold down, I make a straight line. From here it's a left turn and walks 10 meter up to a point T. It is given here. Okay, fine. I hope so you also guys, all guys have make the diagram as similar I made. So coming on the questions, from point R, point R is in which direction with respect to P? We have to answer with the point R and check the directions from P. P to R, have a look. P to R is your upward direction. So going upward and bending towards east, it is known as your northeast. So northeast, as we are not having northeast in any option, so we go with the none of these is the right answer, as our required answer is northeast and northeast is not available into the given options. So we go with the none of these or none of the above. Is that clear? Coming on the next arrangement, I am providing you this question as in your homework question. Please go through with this question, and after completion of this question, just answer me of these questions. These are your homework question. Answer me these questions, answer in the comment section given at the last of the video. Before going from you, I want to share with you that I'm going to start my 6 a.m. session. That is our bilingual session. Many of the students are asking me, ma'am, please get a bilingual session. So I'm my team, my entire team, under 24/7 complete team has decided that we are going to provide you a morning session as an 6 a.m. So as per the demand from your students that we want a live session with you, so this is your live session. So I request from you all students, so come and visit on Ada 24/7 Bankers channel on from Monday towards at sharp 6 a.m. to join my session, and we are going to discuss syllogisms part 2. Now many of the students are thinking that, ma'am, part 2, why part 2 on Monday? Because part 1 is coming on Sunday, that is your tomorrow. So make it sure, do not forget to join my part 1 session on Sunday. Now how can we, ma'am, we get the information about the timing? So for that subscribe our channel Ada 24/7 Bankers channel, as well as download the application. Because whenever you subscribe our channel, you will receive a notification of our sessions. So do subscribe our channel, and you will get a notification of my Sunday session, which is a part 1 of syllogism. Part 1 comes on Sunday, so make it sure. I can remove this line, this is not the sequence. Part 1 for the syllogism. I hope so. This information is most important for you, and I also want to share with you those students who want to learn reasoning, mathematics, English, and the current affairs or the static GK from the basic points. So Ada 24/7 is getting a batch from 7th of April, that is a foundation exams, banking exams foundation batch, where we are going to teach you from the basic 0 level to a moderate level, and also want to tell you now the store.ada247.com is now becomes only ada247.com. you can just visit on our store by applying ada247.com. I think so you all guys are want to get some discounts on the batches, so here's some discounts for you. A good opportunity. I must to say, go and visit on ada247.com and grab this opportunity. Lockdown tayari nahi rukegi. The flat 20% discount plus extra 5% discount by downloading our application, by just applying this code LD20 lockdown special app. This is a 20% discount, and by applying Y164 you will receive a flat 25% plus may application discount. So go and visit on our store. Either you want to go for the live classes, online live classes, or you want a test series, or you want e-books, whatever the material you want for your preparation, all are available on ada247.com. and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Do subscribe our channel. If you like our questions, please like the session, and please answer me the comment section, the homework questions, and do share as much as you can. Please do share my session, and do not forget to appear my 6 a.m. session from Monday onwards in the morning. In the evening we are continuing in our English medium batch, but in a morning session we are going to be get in session at the live session, where you can ask your queries in my with me as a live session. Thank you for watching my session. Bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe. Bye bye.